We all have that subject which we really struggle with. And potentially that really difficult subject is the one which is hardest to revise for. For me personally, that was math. But what I decided was to set a target. My target was really kind of consistent, specific, and realistic. I knew I didn't have a lot of time to revise for maths, so what I decided was to promise myself that I would do 15 minutes of math revision on a Thursday evening. Just 15 minutes, just looking through one question or one example we'd gone through in class, just to get me started. And I did this every Thursday up to my May exams. And this not only helps you kind of get sorted and start feeling like you're doing revision, you're also starting to tackle all those really difficult topics which you need to know for May exams. So I really recommend using this 15-minute rule to just kind of get started with your revision and to kind of help you meet your targets. Good luck. I know you'll be great.